Click on the link below to get price. The AmScope 3.5X 180X Black Trinocular Stereo Zoom Microscope is a remarkable instrument that offers a blend of functionality, versatility, and quality, making it an excellent choice for both professionals and hobbyists alike. The microscope features a robust single-arm boom stand that provides ample flexibility for various applications, from circuit board inspections to biological studies. One of the standout features of this microscope is its impressive zoom range. With magnification options from 3.5X to 180X, users can easily switch between low and high magnifications, allowing for detailed observations without the need for multiple eyepieces. The stereo optics deliver a three-dimensional view, which significantly enhances the clarity and depth perception while examining specimens. The wide field of view ensures that users can comfortably observe larger samples without losing detail. The trinocular design is particularly advantageous for those looking to capture images or videos of their observations. The third port is compatible with various cameras, making it easy to document findings or share them in presentations. This feature is invaluable in educational settings or scientific research, where visual evidence can greatly support findings. The build quality of the microscope is solid, with a sturdy base that minimizes vibrations during use. The adjustable boom arm allows for smooth movement and positioning, accommodating different working angles and heights with ease. The LED illumination provides bright, even lighting, which is crucial for accurate specimen assessment. Additionally, the built-in light source is adjustable, enabling users to fine-tune brightness levels based on specific needs. While the microscope is feature-rich, some users might find the initial setup a bit daunting due to its multiple components. However, once assembled, it operates seamlessly, making it well worth the effort. Overall, the AmScope 3.5X 180X Black Trinocular Stereo Zoom Microscope on a single-arm boom is an exceptional tool that combines ease of use with professional-grade capabilities, making it a valuable addition to any lab or workshop.